Hello everyone, I'm Muskan. I'm 19 and right now I'm pursuing my degree in BA Psychology Honors, and that's all about me. Now you can ask any question.
Where do you put up?
I'm put up in Krishan Vihar, Delhi.
In which college you are?
I'm in Aryabhat College, South Campus.
Is it regular or correspondence?
It is correspondence.
Tell me something about your subject.
What?
Tell me something about your subject.
Okay, so basically my subject is psychology. Psychology means you have to, observe the behavior of a person, how a person manages in his or her own life, like what other kinds of, decisions they take while they are in some situation or something like that. You just have to notice the behavior of that person. So psychology is all about. Actually, there are many fields in psychology, but right now I am teaching about human behavior. Learning, sorry, because I'm pursuing this is there is kind of a little bit interest of mine in this subject of psychology. Something bad, right, you can say that something bad happened in past. That person is close to me, and that person was suffering from anxiety, and parents wouldn't believe that there is something like anxiety. They just thought that person is suffering from an issue and they will be come over after 2 or 3 months, but that didn't happen. So I thought about to learn what kind of human behavior is that, what is anxiety, what is depression. So I just choose that subject.
Okay. Suppose a person had a breakup, then how will you treat him or her?
Right now I'm in my first year, so I'm just learning about basic things. But if you're asking about how I will handle that patient, then I would ask about their relationship, what ups and downs they have gone through. Then I'll figure out what kind of problem is there. Then I'll try my best to solve their problem.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite, there is no as such subject, but right now I'm pursuing psychology. Then it's become my favorite
Have you
subject.
had some internship or clinical internship?
Not right now. I'm in first year, so you can't do internship in your first year.
You are a psychology student. So I would like to ask personally one question to you.
Yes.
Do you believe in the healing by words?
Yes,
Words can heal the person.
exactly. Sometimes medicine don't work, but words can actually heal a person. If someone is suffering from a disease, right, and somebody told that you will be okay soon, you don't have to be panic a lot, and you are in the under observation of doctors, and if you keep yourself motivated, then you will gonna soon recover yourself from that particular issues you have gone
Does
through.
it work in every type of disease or just by the just
Mainly
for the psychosomatic problems?
you can say that psychosomatic problems can be healed by words, and there are other many problems, but I believe that psychosomatic problems could be healed by words. It's all about words,
In which year you are?
First year of my psychology.
After some time, when you reach the height of the psychologies and you'll feel the interest in that, you'll find and you'll meet some person, they are able to heal any kind of the disease, any problem, just by the methods of the psychology. They are able to do it. With help of the psychology, with help of the mind powers, any problem can be healed. Sometimes it looks illusion, but this is the reality, believe it or not. Yes, ask me questions.
What about your family status?
My family status, it's a nuclear family. We are 4 members: me, my mom and dad, and my brother. And my brother is older than me.
Okay, according to you, who spends the most, man or woman?
I didn't understand.
According to you, who spends the most, man or woman?
Actually, it's not about man and woman. It's not based on gender. Actually, it totally depends on person, what kind of person that is. For me, I don't spend too much money. For example, I wanted to buy something which has a cost around 400, but I would save at least 800 in order to spend that 400, so that I could save 400 for my further things which I wanted to buy or something. I don't keep I don't spend like if you ask me that who spend the money, I would say that it will depend on a person. It's not based on a gender or something.
Who's your best friend?
I have a best friend. Do you want to know her name?
Yeah.
Her name is Harshita.
Do you have any bad experience of your life?
I have bad experience. I don't remember yet any bad experience. Nothing has happened like, I could say that it's a really bad experience.
What makes you perfect?
I'm not perfect yet, but yeah, I could say that I'm a very patient person. But at the same time, I'm very short tempered. But related to the things, I have anger issue, but somehow I just try to be patient as possible as I could. And I guess it's the thing which makes not perfect, but I'm in my way to become making myself perfect.
How can you
Don't sit silent. You guys are sitting silent.
how
Ask
can you
questions.
calm yourself when you are anger with any anger issue when you have anger issue?
When I have anger issue, I usually spend my time alone. I don't talk to any person at that time because I was very angry at that time, and I could say anything, whatever comes in my mind. And if I'm angry, I usually speak truth. If I speak truth, that person will get offended, so I rather spend my time alone. I would preferably spend my time alone rather than speaking to others.
In next 5 years.
I see myself, actually I have different plans if you ask. First, my main goal is to become a psychologist. After
You are a
5
psychology
years,
student, you said that, and you are running psychology in first year, and yeah.
yes sir.
But you are breaking the rule of the psychology because mostly psychologists say that whenever you are in anger, meet with your friends. Don't be alone. But you are doing just opposite of that psychology.
No, it's not like that. Psychology is not based on a single rule. There are different rules for everyone. If you feel comfortable, if you're angry and you feel comfortable for being alone, then it is okay for you. You can spend your time alone. And sometimes for me, if I talk about myself,
Yes.
so
if you are being alone, in that because it might be possible that you will go in the depth of your past. It might be possible that
Yeah,
you will go in
it's
the depth
correct.
of your memories, and it is not good. It might be possible that the anger will be high.
it's kind of my habit of spending some time alone so that I can calm myself. Then after that, if I calm myself after 20 or
You feel
30
good.
minutes,
Whenever you are
yeah,
alone,
I
you feel
feel good, but also I'm not, you can say that I'm not happy at that time. Then after calming myself, I go to my friends and talk about the issue I've been gone through. And after sharing my feelings with them, I feel comfortable or okay.
Yes, ask questions. Good, very good. Yes.
See yourself in next 5 years.
As I told you that my main goal is to become a psychologist. So after 5 years, I would be doing an internship in my psychology field. First, I'll complete my bachelor's degree, which is in 3 years, and after completing my graduation, I'll do my master's in psychology. And after that, it's an internship. I didn't understand your
What
question.
is the importance of friends in your life?
Friends, you can't describe them in words actually. Friends are most important things in your life, right? If you're suffering from, actually, if you are happy, you share your happiness with your friends, but you have to check out whether they are actually your friends or not, because sometimes they are not your friend, they just pretend that they are a friend, but I could say that I have few friends in my life and they are all gems, and I am proud that I have really good friends in my life. And for me, friends are really precious thing in your life. They are kind of second family. Like when you born in a family, you born it by the choice of God, but when you start living your life by your own, you met some people and you select some few people in your personal life and you call them friends, and then that friends become your family, part of your family.
Tell me,
Suppose that one side is your family and other side your friends. So, who will you choose?
That's very difficult question you are asking, but I would definitely choose my friends. That's my personal choice actually.
Why would you choose your friends?
Because they are more understanding than my parents. I know my parents have spent their whole life in growing me, but I would choose my friends.
Tell me
That
that
means you are not loyal with your parents.
What?
That means you are not loyal with your parents.
It's not like that being loyal, it's just a situational question that person asks and I'm giving my reply.
Suppose it's an emergency and you have to choose between them, parents or friends.
Actually, you need both of them. Parents will give you support and friends will arrange some
But you
facilities.
can't choose both. You have to choose only one.
It can't be possible. Only mother
You have to decide.
and
Some
father.
students are sitting silent. They have not asked any question as yet. Please.
tell me the things that you have learned from the last year, 2021.
I have learned one thing last year, and that is you are not the main character in everyone's life. You are main character in your own. So just try to develop your life as possible as you could. Like just focus on yourself rather than focusing on other people. And that's I have learned from last year. Yeah, I do believe in love.
So, define love. What is love?
It is quite difficult to define for me, but when you are attracted to someone, you like the things, their habit as well. If they are not if they have bad habit, you will try to stop them from doing that. And if other person also loves you, they will understand you and they know what is good for you and what is wrong. They will, for me, I could say that love is a beautiful thing which could happen. Like
For you, according to love, is a kind of relationship or a feeling?
it's a feeling, not a relationship. It's the feelings you will get for other person, right? And there are many things actually, like how could I define this, but there are many many things that you will feel for that person. You care about that person. When that person is not around, you will miss that person, right? And if that person is not is not feeling good, you will try your level best to convince that person and try to understand that person and give your best to that person. And that's kind of love is that for me.
Do you trust on person easily?
Yeah, I used to trust people easily, but now it's quite difficult for me to trust everyone because I had a kind of bad experience, you could say, in friendship. When I was kid, I had a best friend, and I guess we were best friend from 7 years for 7 years. But something bad happened. You could say that it was a misunderstanding between us. It just happened between us, and she's no more from my life. Actually, she's alive, actually, but she's not in my life right now, and I miss her a lot.
Are you a brand conscious?
No, I'm not a brand conscious person. Actually, I just buy things which are, good looking, right? I don't care about the brand, I just care about the quality.
How will you describe your personality in 3 words?
3 words. First is straightforward, second is I'm ambivert, and third is I'm trustworthy person.
Describe.
Okay.
Personality, you could say that okay, you are asking the personality. Sorry. First is I'm straightforward person, second I'm ambivert, and the third I don't have a specific word for that. I have 2 words for my personality. Yeah.
Are you punctual?
I'm punctual. No, not that punctual. I'm time punctual. If I have to go somewhere, I would try to reach there before time. It not happened oftenly, but sometimes I reach that place before time, but sometimes I get late. It depending upon whom I have to meet. Yes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, I like pizza, pasta, biryani.
What's your favorite fruit?
Fruit, pineapple, strawberry,
Who do you like? Do you like
and kiwi.
Do you like to watch Indian serial?
Indian serials. Not really. But my family watch 2 or 3 shows, so I just watch. But I don't have any interest, much interest.
Who is your idol?
I haven't decided any idol for myself yet.
Any special behavior of yours?
Special behavior. You could say that I have a superpower. I, I,
How you have?
I guess bad energies and vibes easily from the people. I just.
Now everyone is to ask one question. Start from you.
Wait a minute. What? My strength. I'm a very patient person. I try to be patient as possible as I can. Means if I'm doing something and it took time to done that work, then I do that work patiently.
Now start from you.
How many days you can survive without using mobile?
Sorry.
How many days you can survive without using mobile phone?
How many days? If I have books, like 2 or 3 years ago, my phone was in service center, so I spent 1 week without phone. But at that time, I haven't had that phone at that time. But I used to use PC computer. But you could say that I would spend my 1 week around without phone. But it's necessary for me now. But somehow I just spent 1 week without my phone.
What makes you feel proud of yourself?
What makes me feel proud of myself? I don't judge people, and there are many people who judge you for no reason, whether you are doing right or wrong. So I am one of those people who never judge you on the basis of what you are doing, and whatever you are doing, it's your choice. Actually, for me, people are doing something which. For me, if a person is doing, they know what is good and what is not good for them. So it's better to don't judge any person. It's their life. We have no right to judge someone, and I guess that's a special quality in me that I don't judge in people. I don't judge people, and that's the thing which makes me proud on myself.
What would you prefer, love marriage or arranged marriage?
I would definitely prefer love marriage, but because in love marriage you don't know about the person. If I give you example, you know what kind of generation we are in. Some people are doing smoking and drinking and all that shit they do. Sorry for bad word. In arranged marriage, they can hide their secrets. Like they would say that guy is doing very well in their businesses, whether you don't know either they have a business company or not. But in love marriage, you know about that person. You have spent time with that person. You know what kind of person he is, right? You know about their behavior, about right. You all like you have spent 2 or 3 years with that person, right? Now you can tell your parents that particular person, I have loved that person. So according to me, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because
You don't like the person who drinks?
no, exactly. I don't like that person.
But Manish told me again and again that Muskan won't participate in the party. He won't arrange the vodka.
It's a rumor.
What is this?
It's rumor. It's not truth.
But can you say that the success ratio of arranged marriage is very
Speak
much-
slowly. I am not able to.
Success ratio of arranged marriage is much higher than love marriage.
There's a reason because families are very conservative about their their kids. Conservative families, they don't allow, because in earlier generation people won't allow love marriage. It's kind of sin, you could say.
Is your family allowing?
Yeah, they are very supportive, but there is no one who loves me.
What is your negative quality?
My negative quality is that I'm very short-tempered person. I'm trying to work on it. But yeah, this is my negative quality. I get angry very easily.
Okay, what quality do you want to add in yourself?
I try to add the quality, and that is hardworking is the one quality I want in myself, because I'm very kind of lazy person I am. I just delay on things, but I really need to be a hardworking person because I'm a psychologist. So I have to work on myself a lot.
Tell me something about the Indian, positive about the Indian culture.
Indian culture is very good. If we compare the Indian culture with the Western one, we have we have traditional things. We have different. We are living in India, but yet we speak 15 different languages, and that's a beautiful thing about India. We celebrate each other festival together.
Can you explain?
Yes.
Can you explain your negative qualities?
Negative quality. I'm very short tempered, and if you ask me that question again, it will make me angry. And
If
actually,
you have to spend 1 lakh rupees in 10 minutes, so
10 minutes, I would invest that money in bank.
you have to spend it.
I will spend in my investment. What kind of spend? I would bet. Okay, wait a minute. Your question is how would I spend 10 lakhs in 10 minutes?
Yes.
This is quite
1 lakh.
okay. 1 lakh. It will take some time to think how would I spend 1 lakh in 10 minutes. I have no other options right now. I would transfer money to different accounts. That's how I spend.
You have to buy something.
How could I buy something in 10 minutes?
Online.
Online order. Okay. Yeah, right. I forgot. Sorry.
You can spend 1 lakh rupees within a minute. Yeah. 10 minutes are enough.
Just purchase the item.
I would buy makeup products. I would buy makeup products.
See?
1 lakh within 10
And dresses.
Who spends all?
But you would also buy shares.
What?
But you would also buy
But
shares.
I have no knowledge about shares, so I can't spend my money on shares.
Don't get tired.
Who will you choose, your friends and your career?
I would rather choose my career because it's if I choose my friends, that how I can't depend on anyone else. It's the first my career matters a lot to me, so I would choose my career.
So just give the ranking of all the ones that one by one, that who will you choose first and second and all third?
First one is career, second one is friends and family, third one is my belongings. My partner.
In your opinion, is it right to judge people by
In my opinion,
is it right to judge a people?
by looks. No, it's totally wrong to judge a person by their looks because for me, according to me, a looks doesn't matter, a behavior of a person does. If you're good looking, but you just abuse for no reason or spitting out whatever rubbish things, right? For me, no matter how good looking you are, but I wouldn't like you because you don't know how to behave with someone. Behavior matter a lot for me, not looks.
What type of quality do you want in your husband?
What kind of quality I want? That person should be understanding first, because as I told you, I get angry easily, so I would expect from that person to understand me first, trust me, and give me the freedom.
What type of freedom you want?
Freedom keep extra.
Do you want financial freedom?
Yeah.
Why do you also ideas?
She's just asking me and I am giving the answer.
At which age do you want to marry?
At which age? First of all, I haven't decided to marry yet, but that would probably 26 or 27. I have to earn money first, then I would marry. I'm 19.
Suppose a Caribbean or African person will propose you. Then
What?
how? Suppose a Caribbean or African person.
Would propose me, I would definitely reject them because we are not same according
But
to.
nature of person is very good.
I told you, I prefer Indian people. I'm living in India. I prefer Indian
That means
people,
you are-
or
Your priority is looks.
my priorities are
Looks.
It's not about looks. I said I live in India. I would choose a person who lives in India. I can't choose a person who's out of my tradition. And Africans are not fit in our tradition of India. So I can't marry that person.
But you will go there.
Why would I go there? I wanted to live in India. Why would I go?
It is our Indian culture that after marriage, the bride should go.
As I said, as I said, I wanted to live in India. So I need my partner who is familiar with the Indian culture. So I would
Why are you
marry
adopting the foreign culture?
because it's my choice. He's asking. Actually, I have a dream to go out, but I know.
What is your opinion about inter-religion marriage?
Inter-religion marriage. It's person to my opinion. You would say it's mainly about two person, whether they love each other or not. If you are feeling good with. If I mainly talk about my opinion, so for me, inter-religion marriage is not a big thing. But still, we are living in India. People make it a really huge issue on this. But for me, it's okay to love someone whether they are in your caste or not.
You are educating well. You should overcome this.
I'm educating what?
Don't answer this question. In the paradox which is already created in your mind, I would
Exactly.
like to know your opinions only about this.
My opinions are supportive. I am very supportive to love marriages, whether it's intercaste or
If you are into someone,
okay.
or that very guy is a Hindu guy, and your whole family is against your marriage, what will you do in that case? So it's a conditional
Then
question. I am
okay. If my parents told me to leave that guy, I told my parents that I have spent I spent my half of the years with that guy. If I would know that my family wouldn't support me, then how am I going to accept that guy? Like I have spent some years with that person. I have invested my feelings with in relationship. How this could be possible to leave that person if your parents are not supportive? First of all, I won't do anything which I do. I can't do anything against my parent, but if I am in that situation, I would choose my partner. Yes.
Okay.
Because I have to spend my whole life with my partner. Parents gonna die after some years.
Yes.
You can say that I'm blunt.
I did the same thing. Yeah, move on. Ask questions.
What kind of thing makes you feel
Irritated.
irritated?
If I'm not in a good mood, right? No matter what the reason is, if I'm not in a good mood and my friend is trying to ask me the question why you are asking, why you are angry or what, if I told them I will tell you later. If I get out of my anger, if I came out of my anger, I will tell you later. But my friend don't understand what I'm saying. And that person, my friend, asking me again and again same question, why are you angry, what happened with you, it will irritates me and it will pisses me off a lot. So that thing will probably gonna make me angry more.
Who knows you the best?
My few friends know me the best. There is no one who entirely knows me, but there are few friends of mine who knows different secrets of my life. There's no one who entirely know about me.
What is your full name?
My
Full name.
full name is Muskan, but I use a surname. It's Siddiqui, Muskan Siddiqui.
Siddiqui? Muskan Siddiqui? How is it possible?
I don't have a surname. My father used Muhammad in front of his name, right? I asked my mom that what surname we should use. They just said you can use whatever, so I used Siddiqui. It perfectly suits. Yeah,
It is Muslim surname.
yeah, it is. You don't know? Nawazuddin Siddiqui isn't Muslim.
Is Muslim. He was Muslim. He was
Who told you he was Muslim?
Family.
Yeah.
Who told you he was a Muslim? He is not.
He was born in Muslim family. He was related.
I don't know about his family. Sorry.
How can you say that if you are Siddiqui and you are?
As I told you, I don't have a surname, but I use it because I like this surname.
Your father liked the surname, so he put.
My father have no surname, as I said.
Now you just.
He has a prefix, which is Muhammad. Yep.
Yeah, move on.
What is your father's occupation?
He's a government serviceman in railways.
Yeah, ask some questions. What? If your question, don't sit silent. You
What
will.
kind of expectations do you have from your parents?
But my expectations are they have to be supported whatever decisions I take.
What is your weakness?
My weakness. My weakness is anyone can easily piss me off.
And what is your strength?
My strength, as I told you, that I'm a very patient person.
How can you say that you are so
Wait,
patient?
I'll tell you. It depending upon the situation, but or you know what kind of situation I am in. If I'm working on myself, I would be patient. But it is if it is related to my personal thing, right? If I'm doing something and if someone is interrupting me, I would get pissed off.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
Yeah, of course, it would buy a happiness.
Yes, say something about it.
Uh,
Elaborate this answer. Yes.
Actually, money could buy happiness. According to me, it's my opinion. If you wanted to buy something, if you don't have money, right? But if somebody have given you money, then you will buy and you will become happy, right? So according to me, money could buy happiness. If you wanted to buy your dream car, if you have money, you would buy. It will make you happy. So for me, money could buy happiness.
Suppose you have lack of money and I just lock the door in this room, then what will you do?
What was the situation?
Suppose you have lack of rupees.
Lack of rupees.
Lack of rupees, and I just
You lock that door.
lock that room.
Okay.
Both the doors.
Okay. Okay. What would I do?
Suppose you are in prison.
Then I wouldn't do anything with that money. It's very wasteless.
Get happiness from that money.
So, if I'm in prison, I would call my family and give that money to them and told them
You
to.
don't have phone.
What kind of situation is that? Why would I do such thing to? Due to that, I would go to prison.
That time, what is happiness for you?
Yes.
Right? I didn't understand.
What is happiness for you?
Happiness for me. Look, if you are asking me that I have a money but I am in prison, I couldn't do anything. But main thing is that you have to
Happiness is spending the money.
goose the police. You have to goose the police to in order to came out from that cage or prison, right? If you don't give them money, how will you able to come out? That's main point.
Yeah, very good.
Sometimes
What?
someone is teasing you, what are you gonna do in that situation?
Okay, now, yes.
33.
33, it's
Last question. Do you have any phobia?
I'm claustrophobic. I can't survive in small places.
Claustrophobia.
Claustrophobic.
claustrophobic.